Hi guys, we have a new video today. I'll be showing you how to create a simple prototype between frequently asked questions and their answers, just like this one. So let's get right into it. So we have our first question and we need a second frame that has the question and the response. I'm going to make a copy of this, then I'll paste this here, then I'll select the text tool and then paste my response. So I'm just going to create an auto layout between the both of them using Shift A, and then the spacing will be set to 16. Then I'll select the both of them and make sure they are both set to fill container. I'm going to bring in this icon for the response, and this icon is for the question alone. So I'm going to create an auto layout between the three. This is going to be here. Then I'll give this a spacing of 24. Then I'll select the frame that houses just the question and the response only, and make sure it's also set to fill container. Then I can just rename this to answer. So the next thing we're going to do now is to just select the both of them and create component set. We'll head over to our prototype section. I'll just highlight this first icon and then link it to this second frame. Then I'm going to set it to on click smart animate of ease out 250 meter per seconds. Then I'm also going to select the exit icon and drag it to this first frame, and I'm also going to set it to on click smart animate of ease out 250 meter per seconds. Let's assume we have 5 questions, right? So this is the first one I just did. All you need to do is to just make 5 duplicates for 5, and then you can start changing your questions. So this second one, I'm just going to change this to this and also change it here. So now that I've added the responses to the rest of the frequently asked questions, I'll replace these current questions with our variants. For the first question, I'm going to copy the second variant and then change it to our second variant using paste to replace. For our second component, I will select the first variant, which is the one with just question alone, and I'm going to paste to replace. Then I will do the same for the third one. Paste to replace. I'll do the same for the fourth one as well. Paste to replace. Then I'll do the same for the fifth one. Copy. Paste to replace. We're going to preview the prototype we just created now. Once I click on this icon, it closes and switches to just the question. Once I click on this plus icon, it opens it up with the answer, right? Then I'll also do the same for this. It switches to this one and changes back. Same thing with this, changes back. Same thing with this, changes back. We've come to the end of this very quick and simple video, and I hope that you learned something today. If you have questions, any concerns at all, please do let me know